In this lesson, we will demonstrate using multiple languages in a single solution containing an ASP.NET website. So we'll create a website, file new website. Select C#, select empty website, select a location. Here we are giving the name of the website as app code demo. Click OK. So this is our Solution Explorer. Now if it is not already open, go to View, select Solution Explorer, right click on the URL node, select Add Web Form. Take the default name, click OK. So we have a web form, a web page containing some HTML. The name of the web page is default.aspx. You can go to the code bin file by using F7. Now we are in the code bin file for default.aspx, where we have a single method page underscore load, which is invoked whenever the page is loaded. Now app code folder is a special folder. To create it, right click on the URL node in the Solution Explorer, select add ASP.NET folder, select app code folder. So it is created a folder, app code folder, under the URL node. Right click on the app code folder, select add, select class. Since it is a C# code main file, it will add a C# file. Let us name the class as a.cs. Extension is not required, just write down a. Click OK. Now it has added a C# file with extension .cs, where we have a single class containing a constructor. Now let us remove the comments. Here I will add a single method called addition, which will return addition of two numbers, comma integer b. Now save this, return a plus b. Now since this class is in app code folder, we can directly access this class in the code bin file. So in the code bin file, I am creating an instance of that class A and invoking the method. And passing some values. So it should give us 5 in the response. Now go to debug, start without debugging. There are some errors here saying that bracket is required. So one more bracket is required here. Save it. Now go to debug, start without debugging. So here we got the output as 5. Fine. Now let us add one more file to the code folder, app code folder. We will call this as b.vb. So the extension is b. So now we have added a file with .vb extension. Now let us remove the C# code from this file. Now we have added a file with .vb extension. Now let us remove the C# code from this file. Add some VB.NET code. Here I am adding a class B, and in that class we have a function which returns multiplication of two numbers So we have added two parameters, both are of type integer. Now let us return n into m. So this is our class. Now let us go to the code behind file for the page and let us create the instance of type class B. Now if you try to create instance of type class B, it gives an error. What did we name the function? Multiply. But here we are not able to access the class or its methods. Now to use multiple languages in the app code folder, what you have to do is you have to create two folders, two subfolders inside app code folder. We'll call the first one as CS and we'll call the second one as VB. We'll move the CS file to CS folder and VB file to the VB folder. Now save this. Now go to the code behind file, but even then the error persists. Now to remove these errors, what you have to do is you have to go to the config file. Under system.web you have compilation tag. Now remove the closing slash, add the closing tag, and inside add code subdirectories. Here you add the directory name using add tag. So the first directory is CS and one more directory is VB. Now save this. Now go to the code behind file. Now try to compile this. Now it's saying that object variable is already declared. Now I'll declare a different variable here. Now save this, try to compile this. Now it is saying that multiply takes one argument. How is that possible? We have declared two arguments. Multiply. It takes two arguments. Now save this. Now response.write. I'm passing the output to the browser. Now save this and browse. So the first digit 5 is from the addition and the next two digits, that is digit 12, number 12, is from the second output. To format it properly, we can write a break here. We'll add a break statement and we'll also print some message here, addition, and here it is multiplication. And here also we will add a break. Now save this, go to debug, start without debugging. So addition we have 5 and multiplication we have 12. So this is how we can use multiple languages in a single solution.